Hi.
Naka-video?
Oo, naka-video.
Naka-video
Hi.
ka?
Fern?
Ha?
Fern?
Ano?
We just went to
There's shop.
Where you
Saan
can
yan? Sa
here.
Tropical.
Wait. So these are the stuff we got from Mega Shop. Our drinks to drink. Trying creamy cheese pimiento.
Which is pimiento nga ba?
Hmm. Nasangkag ako yung bell pepper. Parang just nga, doon lang siya sa amin sa labas. Wala siya sa
Sa loob?
Mahal siya. Gusto ko lang sabi dinabihan yung cheese. Because I like cheese a lot. Ano siya sa loob? Parang siyang cheese whiz na may ano. Yun siya. Sarap.
Cream cheese pimiento. Tama na po.
Yung cheese pimiento. Try it.
Quality lang yung ano ah. May lasa mo. Pero hindi masyadong pero definitely may cheese. Lasang lasa mo rin yung ano.
Rate mo.
Pepper. 8. 8.5. Masarap.
It's good.
Good.
And he's drinking his shot. What's that?
Mango fizz.
Mango fizz drink from Ikikai. Mine is
Ice shaken passion fruit tea.
ice shaken passion fruit. This is good. This is from Ikigai. We're in Ikigai right now. This is T-bone steak. Takoyaki. Our drinks. And Tantan ramen. From
Tanmen.
Tantan from Ikigai. We're eating na.
Tap. Ano pang baker shop doon?
Yeah. Let's eat. Ganda pa lang music ko.
Not spicy.
It's hot. But good.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
Yeah, it's 8.5 for me. And it's around 9 for me. It's just a bit tough to cut, but it's okay. That ako yung is
So late.
Eat that.
Yung ramen kasi,
8.5.
kaya 8 sa akin yung ramen kasi comforting din siya. Yung makakahanap mo sa ramen, done right. Or takoyaki, same. Ito, di ko pa natikman.
Oh, taste it. What's your rating?
Taste, 9. Texture, sobrang tigas, no. Yun lang
Hindi
talaga.
naman sobrang tigas.
Hindi naman sobrang
You
tigas.
can bite on it. You can bite on it so it's not too hard. Right?
You can definitely buy it.
So how would you rate it with the texture? Around 7? 8?
7.9. Malapit na sa akin.
Talagang binawasan pa ng 1. So we're going to eat muna. Bye! Say bye! It's a good place to visit. You guys can try.
It's really good. Yeah,
Eat- eat
it's
try.
really good.
This is near our house. That's why we went here.
Yung
This is our
ano
first
lang.
time here.
Tough lang siya para sa akin.